Required tools: clean brush, vinegar, towel, an electric drill. For your safety, power off the ice machine before cleaning. First, unscrew the fixing screws of the stainless steel plate and the back and remove the steel plate. Then remove the top stainless steel plate. Now remove the water outlet pipe. Remove the clip that secures the hose. Then pinch the hose and gently rotate it to separate it from the outlet pipe. Next, unscrew the screws and gently tap the protruding part at the countertop to remove the hot water pipe from the outlet pipe. At this point, it will be found that Scale generally adheres to hot water pipes, so it needs to be thoroughly cleaned. After cleaning the water outlet pipe, install it back and reconnect it to the soft water pipe. After clamping it, set it aside first. Then take out the vinegar and spray it onto the ice grate. Take out a towel to wipe the ice grate. And use a brush to clean it appropriately. After completing the above steps, pour clean water from top to bottom onto the ice grate and clean it thoroughly. Afterwards, the flowing sewage will collect in the sink below, and the sink will also be cleaned with a towel. Then remove the water plug at the bottom right of the sink and let the water flow out of the discharge pipe. After the sewage is discharged, rinse with clean water until the vinegar smell disappears and is thoroughly clean. After cleaning, reinstall the removed parts. When reinstalling the outlet pipe, please note that the row of holes above the pipe must be placed facing downwards. This way, the water flow amount will flow as much as possible through the ice grate in order to quickly form ice. When installing the ice deflector, locate it below the ice grate and clamp it. Please remember to replug the water plug at the sink. When installing the top stainless steel plate, align the stainless steel plate with the black plate first, and then slowly push it inward until it is completed. Finally, install the stainless steel plate on the back and tighten the screws to secure it.